Watch number 140, effective until 0600 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties: in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 140 has been issued until 0600 a.m. Friday for the following counties: in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. At 11 p.m. in Lincoln, it was cloudy.
Jesus.
The temperature was 64
That actually scared the crap out of me. Okay.
and the relative humidity 52%.
Over there.
Wind was east at 14 miles
My
an hour,
HH went off.
gusting to 26.
Over here.
The pressure was 30.05
Yeah.
inches and
This
falling.
right room is still a bit of a
Across
mess.
eastern Nebraska, it was cloudy. It was 59 at all.
I was kind of, you know what, to be honest with you, I was not expecting, severe weather to happen today. But as a matter of fact, all my weather radios just went off. But, we still got, as you can currently see, I did switch rooms, but as a matter of fact, this room isn't properly ready yet, but Jesus, that scared the crap out of me, dude. That honestly scared the crap out of me.